Very good morning, children. Today we are going to do with the last part of our lesson 4 notes. Okay, we finished our as the following question and answers in the last class, in previous class. Now today we are going to do with the activity. So write the heading as ACTIVITY activity, which is nothing but the drawing. So write the heading DRAW, draw, AND COLOUR, color, ANY, any, THREE, 3, THINGS, things, that, WEV, USE, in first season we will see with the summer season. SUMMER, summer. SEASON, summer season. Okay, so first we will draw the clothes or the things that we use in summer season. So what we generally use in summer season, even things also you can draw. As this is a lesson of clothes lesson, we will draw with the clothes first. We will use skirts. See how teacher is drawing the skirt. Okay, you can color it, children. This is skirt, SKIRT, skirt. You can draw t-shirts, where you will use t-shirts, no, children? Whenever you go out, you use cap, right? This is the cap that you wear in summer season. Okay, generally we use cotton clothes, so these all are like that. And we use shorts, right? We wear shorts also. So I told any three, no, whichever is comfortable for you, you can use. If we use any, we even wear our sunglasses, right? You can draw those also. Okay. However you get, you can draw, children. Okay, this is one of the way you draw sunglasses. The other way also I will show you. Okay, this is the way. In this way you can draw and you can nicely color it. Okay, this is all about the summer season. Next we go with the winter season or rainy season. We'll say with the rainy season. RAINY, rainy. SEASON, rainy season. So whenever we think of rainy season, we generally first remember umbrella. Very good. You can draw colorful umbrella, right? Like this. However you want to draw, you can draw and you can color it. And write umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. Next we use gum boots, right? These are called as gum boots. We wear gum boots when it is rainy season. And next, what else we wear? Yeah, raincoat. That's true. See? Children, don't get bothered. However, you can draw. Okay, this is a raincoat, this is a rain cap. They will not like this. Okay, RAIN, rain, COAT, coat. Fine. These are the three things that we use in rainy season. If you can remember anything else, you can even draw. And next, coming to the winter season, right? WINTER, winter. SEASON, season. Winter season. Whenever we think about winters, we generally remember sweaters, woolen caps, right? You can draw the woolen cap like this. WOOLLEN, woolen, CAP, cap, woolen cap. And next, here scarves. We generally use scarves, right children? Different types of scarves. SCARF, scarf. You will generally cover your ears with the help of scarf so that the cold wind will not enter your ears, right? And then we use gloves, woolen gloves, right? Even leather also sometimes. Yeah? You can draw it and you can write it as gloves, GLOVES, gloves. And last but not the least, it's our sweater, right? We often frequently wear sweaters in the winter season. So you try to draw like this. Even you can wear your jackets also. I don't know that I have drawn neatly or not. Is that comfortable for you or not? However you get, you can draw, children. No worry about it. You can color it nicely. Okay. This is a sweater. SWEATER, sweater. I'll send you the pics again, children. I did not color because you may not be able to see that how I have drew properly, but you have to color in your classworks. Fine, children. I'll send you the pics again. You please color it neatly and draw it in your classwork. So by this we have finished our lesson 4 full. Thank you, children.